apply pressure since there's no one here. That's where I'm gonna go.
Yeah, I'm going top. I'm here with you.
Gotcha. Yeah, I can send a bird out. Alright, I'm getting lefty, or bottom one.
Oh, it's the Bibble.
Not even worried about him.
Oh, he wants my booty.
Yep, I'm gonna get this other turret. I'm not
Oh,
worried
pulled me
about
in.
him. Oh!
I can't leave.
I can't help you there, bud.
Ah!
I'm trying to attack the shield. That's what I should have been doing the whole time. I'm coming. It's almost
okay.
down. Stay alive. Alright, you're good. Oh no.
It's all good. I didn't know that could happen.
I did not actually. So I'm wondering what is better. I'm gonna try Bestial Wrath this first run through.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 3 at top,
I'm
which
coming.
means I cannot stop them from getting the
shrines awaken.
yeah, the shrine. Okay, so we get half a minute.
Didn't they nerf Kel'Thas recently?
Yeah, because there was like this bug that was going on where if you were standing around minions, he could like one hit you. Yeah. So that was lame.
Kabibble!
Nope, he's trying to get me. There you go, stun him. Bestial Wrath, look how big she is now. Oh my goodness. Oh my actual goodness. And the stuns. Uh-oh, I'm stunned.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Come to me, Misha. Alright, go back out, Misha. Get the Babylon. Oh, Rek'Sar has died.
Oh
Alright,
shit,
that's okay.
I'm dead.
Yeah, we got bot, so
Yeah.
that's fine.
Diablo,
Maybe she finish the course.
yeah, Diablo's really low.
That's okay. That's okay. I switched to Lily when I should have stayed on him.
Oh, I didn't even see the Lily.
Yeah.
Hey, Ashlers. Yeah, I play here. I play HOTS every now and then. I suck horribly at it, but I play it. My dog is barking at something. We still going top?
Yeah.
If you want to join us, Ashlers, let me know.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Look at that. Boom. And boom. Dunzo.
Oh!
Like, because the W is a stun from Misha, and then my Q is a slow. Like, boom. And then I can slow right after it. And then it's just so much damage. Alright,
Really?
so I'm gonna stay here.
Yep.
And then my D, which is like my passive, I can just call her to me or away from me, which is really nice.
Yep. Also,
Apparently.
Ashlers, we have this. We're on Skype too, so if you want to join us on there,
Get slow, and then stun. And then her auto attacks lower the stun cooldown.
oh, I missed her. Shit.
Slow one again. Stun it again. Bestial Wrath. Uh-oh. Alright, calling her back to me now. Although I just Bestial Wrathed. That's fine, that's fine. Okay, Kel'Thas.
Wait,
Stay
wait,
away.
Lily's here.
Go on Kel'Thas, go on Kel'Thas.
He's got me. Hold on. I gotta go heal.
Got you. I'm taking this. I'm taking them on by myself.
Don't die on me.
I got you. Come back, Misha. I'm 2 people. What you talking about? Min pet, no big deal. Because I'm protecting top. I got Misha.
Your HOTS is passion right now, Ashlers? Okay, cool. Yeah, if whenever it's done, let us know. And well, after this game, we'll get you in. Ooh, hold on. Ooh, do I want leech, life leech, or spell shield?
Life Leech for Diablo could be cool, but Spell Shield also because we have Kel'Thas. I'm going to do...
I'll do, since we have the Kel'Thas, I'll do right now. Alright, I'll add you right after this game, Ashlers.
Oh, crap. Alright, I need to learn. Okay. I'm trying to get Misha to stay on a target while I'm moving away, but she kind of goes where I go, which is really lame.
Shit. Oh, God, I didn't see the Lily.
Their Kel'Thas is strong.
Okay, so let me... Damn it. Ah, damn you, Lily. Shit. Ah.
Forgot to pick a skin for Rek'Sar, but he's riding a Kodo, which I feel is very, like, appropriate. Alright, I'm coming to mid to stop the Dragon Knight.
I'll go mid too. I didn't know the Dragon Knight was up.
Yee. Oh wait, crap. Alright, cool. Bishareth. Triple stun. Mending the pets. Go for him. Go for him. Go for him. Go for him. Misha's small. No, don't do this. Don't do this to me, not now. Stunned. Slowed. Healing pet. Stunning. Slowing. There we go. Min pet. Oh!
Get the Lily.
I am backing out for a second. I gotta heal. Misha's tanky. Rexar, not so much. But thinking that is how you should be rewarded in your playstyle. Triple stun. Oh, never mind. I hit nothing.
Shit. I gotta get out of there.
Alright, I'm getting on, it's a Diablo with like a Lily and a Brightwing next to him. Alright, healing. Alright. Misha, kill command. Oh, okay.
Oh, did we kill somebody?
Who has the Zeratul? Oh, the paint. Hey, we have a Zeratul. I don't know who has a Zeratul. Do we have one?
I don't
Yeah,
know.
we do. Check that out. Alright, so his ulti was kind of in poor taste.
Oh, wait. Is... right now I'm 5-5, so I'm doing well, I guess. I need to kill that Lily. Because I can't stand Lily. I know that's mean to say, but...
Power gathers within the shrines.
Should we go back up top?
The dragon's
They're pushing really hard mid.
Alright,
Maybe we
so
can
go
stop
back
them.
mid.
So then get a fort. Yeah. Go. Trying to get something on them, but I can't. Mending my pets though. Alright. I'm gonna stun you. Alright, I'm trying to go in on. Misha, don't die. Misha, don't die. Bishareth. Stunning. Where's Kel'Thuzad? I'm trying to get. Oh, they killed her. They've killed her.
Ooh.
They've killed her, and now they're going to kill me.
Yeah, they're after me too. Holy shit! Oh lord.
On Netflix too, by the way. Now.
What is?
Trolls 2? That's
Really?
what the line is from. Yes. Trolls 2 is very famous for one very bad scene.
They're eating her.
Yeah, that's okay.
Yep.
We got yes. What do I want to do? Attacking you or Misha slows basic attack speed? No. Let's try Feign Death. So it comes to the Feign Death ability where I become invulnerable in a stasis, and then I just control Misha. That could be useful
They
for
got
keeping
the
me alive. Especially if I can compensate with a Bishareth. Alright, so they are... We're really like funneling ourselves into them, which I'm going to stop doing right now actually. I'm going to stop the I'm gonna stop the push at top. No, because Dragon Knight, that's right. Alright, let's do this. Yeah, let's do this.
Whoa!
Yeah, you can do that.
That was awesome.
Trying to get Misha on this dude. Get him, boy! Get him!
Damn. You don't like me. He keeps...
No.
Oh god.
And I'm putting mine into a Feign Death.
I'm dead. Is that launch?
Feigning my death right now.
Oh, thank you for the host,
Feign Death,
Ashlers.
get me away.
The enemy is
Hopefully you'll see your cat bug in a few minutes, but... there it is!
Bye-bye!
Thank you, Ashlers.
Moving even faster. Alright, we're stunning.
Oh, Lord.
Slowing. Oh no. No. How do you stop that?
What got you?
His Pyroblast, but I always thought there was an aimed skill shot. Uh oh, they're getting a fort. Oh no. Oh, they're 4 levels ahead of us. Oh no.
I didn't realize how badly we were...
No, it's okay. I think Misha's good though.
Yeah.
think
Rexar
that-
seems like a lot of fun.
Rexar's good.
I'm liking Diablo, but like I said, I haven't played this game in a while, so I This kind of sucked.
I'm talking.
Lily! Come here! Oh god, why did I do that? Oh god! Oh. I tried going out like a hero, but I went out like a bitch.
Tried going out like a hero, but I went out like a storm.
Exactly.
Alright, so here's what we do. Ready? Ready? Are you left?
No, I'm dead.
Oh, okay. Watch this. Ready? Ready? We're doing this. We're doing this. And we're Bisho Wrathing, and then we're Feign Deathing. Boom. Now I'm just Misha. But I'm Misha in like her super turbo mode.
Oh, that's awesome.
Alright, then we do this. We mend the pet. Oh no. Oh no. Misha, to my side. To my side, Misha.
Yeah, that Diablo.
Tanky?
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, that's okay.
Alright. Well,
Maybe
The dragon
I made bad
shall rise
choices.
again.
I don't know. I don't know how to
we
play
started
him.
off. Well, I mean, we still.
I think once they kept getting the Dragon Knight, I definitely think I don't know, but it was good. It was good. We did a thing here.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna go use the restroom really quick, and then we'll get Ash. I gotta Ashler's and get her in here.
Okay.
Ash friend.
It's like different out. Try. Okay, so he's a special cupcake, really. Special cupcake.
1932. I sent you the friend request, Ashlers, but I will be right back. I'm gonna use the restroom, so hang tight.
Yes. Hello, Ashley. How are you? How's your day going? It's going good. Did you get Super Mario Maker? Looks fun. Who knows? I didn't get Super Mario Maker. Super Mario Maker looked like it'd be fun. I'm Mindless, short for Mindless Pepper. I'm not a vegetarian though. I'm getting into a stream so I can see what you're saying. So we can get you into the game. I picked up a Wii U when it first came out, mainly because I just liked the Nintendo Land. Nintendo looked really fun. And then if there's ever been a reason to pick up a Wii U, that reason is Splatoon. Splatoon is a bombshell of fun. Yes, yes, yes indeed. Super fun. Super good. Yeah, I'm hoping for that too. I haven't looked up enough about Star Fox Zero. I'm gonna actually give it a quick goggle right now. Oh, I've pressed the Windows key. Zero. Alright, check you out. Oh, there's a trailer. I'm gonna watch the trailer. Ooh, I like. Oh, pretty. Oh, it's a rail shooter, just like the old one. Ooh, this is good. Oh, you can aim with the gamepad. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Oh, we can be on ground. We can be on ground. We can be on ground. It's a tiny little pterodactyl. Landmaster, that's a pretty. Oh my goodness. This is cool. Oh, I like this. Like a drone thing, and you take a little bippy boopy bot that you look at with the gamepad. Oh my. All range mode. Is this where we get free roam? I like it. I like it. I do actually stream. My old streaming device is what Will uses currently. I have not set up streaming on this. I play lots of video games, but I just haven't been doing the streaming thing between work and college. But I can. I used to.